From this, you will make the strongest natural remedy for tomatoes. It will ensure your tomatoes are healthy and beautiful. Diseases will disappear immediately. If you want lush and juicy tomatoes, be sure to stay with me. We start by preparing our ingredients. Pour 100 milliliters of warm water and 100 milliliters of milk into a jug. Then add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 1 tablespoon of garlic. This combination will help fight fungi and pests. The next step is to add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of ground cloves and cinnamon. These spices have antibacterial properties and boost the plant's immunity. To make the mixture even more effective, add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Finally, add a pinch of dried nettle, which acts as a natural fertilizer. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly, then strain the mixture through a sieve to remove larger pieces. Dilute the ready liquid with water. Now you can regularly spray your tomatoes every 10 days to protect them from diseases and pests. Remember to do this early in the morning or late in the afternoon to avoid burning the leaves from the sun. Try this natural mixture and see how your tomatoes grow healthy and strong. I feed my seedlings with this homemade fertilizer, and they grow like crazy. This mix can replace many expensive fertilizers. Prepare a glass container and add 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Baking soda can help improve soil condition, support soil balance, and is often used in home plant care. Next, take turmeric and add 1 teaspoon. Turmeric is valued for its natural protective properties and for supporting healthy plant growth. The next ingredient is bay leaves. Add about 4 leaves. They contain natural plant oils and enrich the mixture with valuable compounds. The next ingredient is sugar. Add 2 tablespoons. Sugar helps activate natural processes in the mixture and supports microorganisms in the soil. Finally, use mint tea. Mint contains natural essential oils such as menthol, whose scent may help repel some small pests. The last ingredient is warm milk. Milk contains calcium and nutrients that may support seedling growth. Mix everything thoroughly, then strain it. Now pour some of the finished solution into a watering can, add water and mix again. Water your seedlings with this fertilizer, and you will quickly notice stronger stems, healthier leaves, and faster growth. Regular use will help your plants stay strong, green, and well-developed. This yellow remedy will protect cucumbers and tomatoes from diseases and pests. It will safeguard tomatoes from blight, increase flowering, and boost yields. This natural fertilizer will help your plants grow healthily and produce abundant fruit. You'll need only ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. First, boil a liter of water. It's important that the water is hot because one of the key ingredients needs high temperatures to dissolve. Now, add 2 teaspoons of an extraordinary powder with strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, turmeric. When the mixture cools slightly, add 100 milliliters of the second ingredient, which is rich in calcium and other minerals, milk. This not only strengthens your crops, but also enhances their ability to fight off diseases and pests. Thanks to this ingredient, the remedy will stay on the plants longer. Stir everything thoroughly to ensure the ingredients are well combined. Wait until the mixture has completely cooled and strain it through a fine sieve. Then, pour the mixture into a spray bottle and spray the plants once a week. This natural remedy will help your cucumbers and tomatoes thrive, keeping them healthy and productive throughout the growing season. Store the rest in a jar for later use. Dig it into the garden and your plants will bloom like never before. Strawberry seedlings are a perfect choice for your garden, especially if you want healthy, abundant crops. Strawberries thrive in full sun, and their roots need soil that is moist but well-draining. Make sure to water the strawberries regularly, especially during their growth period, to maintain proper moisture levels and support healthy development. With the right care, these plants will yield delicious and juicy fruits. Planting sunflowers next to your strawberries is also a great idea, as they act as a natural fertilizer. They will enrich the soil with minerals essential for healthy plant growth. Dig a hole, drop in some sunflower seeds, and gently cover them up. Sunflower seeds help naturally fertilize the strawberries, improving soil structure and providing valuable nutrients like potassium and magnesium. Sunflowers also attract bees, which aids in pollinating the strawberries and other plants in your garden. As a result, your strawberries will grow stronger, healthier, and more fruitful, while your garden will become even more beautiful. Water your seedlings with Coca-Cola. Your plants will start bending under the weight of juicy, vibrant fruit. Coke acts as a natural booster. I didn't believe it either until I tried it myself. The leaves become darker and stronger, and the fruit grows fuller and more flavorful. Coca-Cola contains sugar, which stimulates soil microbes. These microorganisms help make nutrients more accessible to plants. Increased biological activity in the soil supports root development. Phosphoric acid slightly acidifies the soil, which can also benefit growth. Coke not only promotes plant growth, but also helps deter aphids. Its sticky surface repels pests, and the compounds inside make it harder for them to survive. Just water with Coca-Cola once a month. Don't overdo it. Too much can throw off your soil's balance. Within a few weeks, you'll see noticeable improvements in plant health and yield. You surely have it in your medicine cabinet. As soon as the cucumber leaves start to yellow, make a spray from it. The cucumbers will bear fruit all summer long. First, prepare 1 tablespoon of cloves, put them in a grinder and grind them finely. Cloves have antibacterial and antifungal properties. They protect the plants from many diseases and pests. Now prepare a blender. Pour 1 liter of water into it. Add the ground cloves. Cloves have another advantage. They neutralize ethylene, the gas responsible for fruit ripening and vegetable yellowing. Add aspirin to the cloves. It is a pain reliever and fever reducer that contains salicylic acid. This makes the plants more resistant to heat and drought. When the aspirin dissolves, mix the solution well. Pour the fertilizer into a spray bottle, and the spray is ready. Just spray the cucumbers regularly to prevent the leaves from yellowing and save your crops. An old gardener revealed to me what to put in the hole for cucumbers. Thanks to this, I have extraordinary yields. I gather buckets of cucumbers shortly after planting them in the ground. How is this possible? Cucumbers need warmth and plenty of water to grow. You can provide them with suitable conditions right from the planting stage. The seedlings will be able to grow and develop better. Everyone knows that cucumbers grow best when it's warm. You can provide this warmth to cucumbers right from their roots. The method is so simple that it's hard to believe. If you have a lawn and mow the grass, keep it for the cucumbers. You can also pick it from the garden edge. Grass is incredibly valuable for growing cucumbers right from the planting stage. Thanks to it, cucumbers will have warmth right from their roots. Dig a sizable hole. Line it with the previously cut or picked grass. The whole secret lies in the fact that when grass decomposes, it emits warmth. So bury it in the ground where you're planting the cucumbers, and then plant the cucumber seedling on top of it. You can prepare the soil for sowing cucumbers in the same way. As the grass decomposes, it emits warmth, and thanks to this, cucumbers grow like crazy.